In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reverb on Ableton. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Reverb is one of the most essential effects in music production, and Ableton is going to be including two main Reverb plugins, Reverb and Hybrid Reverb, available in Live 11 and later. Hybrid Reverb is a more advanced device that combines convolution and algorithm reverb, but for this video I'm going to keep it simple and showcase a brief introduction on how to load reverb into any project of yours. So the simplest way to use reverb is to insert it into a track. So I recommend creating a return track. This way you will not have to load it up every single time. So by using a return track, it is going to be applied to any other tracks that you add to your project. You can find the actual reverb effect under the categories here. So if you go to the browser, you can find audio effects and then reverb among all of them. So choose reverb. You can double click or load it up by dragging and dropping at the bottom. And now you will be able to control it here. So you will have input processing, early reflection, global quality, and so on. For this video, I'm not going to go over every single one of these settings. This video is meant only to be showcasing how to actually add reverb, but I'm not going to be talking about how to properly set it up and how to use every single function inside. So once you have reverb loaded into the return track that you've created, it is going to be used according to the settings that you have here. So just assign it to a track. And once this is done, you will be able to control the reverb with these sliders here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.